Sometimes, betrayal no dey shout, e dey whisper. Your office, them trust you well? Your boss, na man or woman? Amaka no suspect anything because she trusts her sister die. Make I help you reply this message.
But she no dey reply. She dey copy contacts, emails, details.
Why you leak hospital secrets?
Then one day, wahala land. Why you leak hospital secrets? Amaka freeze and evidence full ground from her account. Secrets wey only her and her sister know. Only her sister.
Chioma, something bad don't happen. Fit do this coin thing. She rush go house. Chioma act shocked. Oscar-winning performance.
Job gone. Name spoil. Respect finish.
That night, Amaka cry. Only first time. But something she no know. Truth no dey die.